Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today I'm going to show you individual column search in Datatable, and we will be seeing in Laravel plus Vue tutorial. So let's get started with today's video. So that's the view I have created. That's my table, and you can see as of now only one search is there at the top. So we will be needing individual column search. So let me show you documentation of Datatable's. There you can find individual column searching, and at the bottom you can see we have column search, and after that you can see JavaScript is provided how you can implement that. So we will be seeing this how to implement in this in our code. So let me show you code now. So in code I have contact list component. So here you can see I'm having table, and after that you can see tbody is blank. After that jQuery I have imported, data table I have imported, and then on mounted and ref also from view, and then on mounted I have created my data table, and inside that ajax API is hit and columns are defined, and at last action buttons are defined. So now let me show you back in code api.php. You can see contact list is going to contact controller index function, and here you can see I have done total records search, and then pagination is also there, and all combined results are set like send in response. So for search I need same like t head, so that will be t footer. So write t foot, and everything like title will be name, like everything else will be same, it's just that it will be in footer. Now let's check in browser. Let's go down. Here you can see name email is present there, like footer basically created for table. So now let's copy from JavaScript and paste after data table. So this will be called when completely data table will be initialized. After that it will be called. So you can see it's calling API function, then columns, and with every column it's taking column footer and it's getting the text content. So text content here will be name, email, all those things. After that we are creating input element, and we are replacing placeholder with title. So now after that you can see replace children is replaced with input field. So now in the footer of table we will be able to see input, and after that you can see on input add event listener is added, that is key up, and after that you can see column dot search. So this method basically sets the search to apply to the table only, it doesn't actually perform this search. So when your table is ready for search, then we are going to redraw that. So now let's check, inspect, go to console. So now let's refresh, and let's go to footer and write in name. You can see now in payload search value it's going for particular column. As of now server processing is on, so let me just comment it as of now and let's see. So now let's see, it will be refreshed here only, it will not hit any API to backend now. So right, let's say day1, and now you can see it's searched. And now let's search for any email as of now. So write any rice, let's say. So now you can see email is searched according to email. So now let's enable again backend processing, and now let's change in API. Your server side processing is on, then how you can achieve same result. So now here let's get the request columns, and let's hold that in a variable, let's say columns only. It will be array. So now let's say multiple column search can also be there. So for that we'll be using for each here. So let's start for each loop, and inside that let's get column, and for particular column we will be writing where condition. So first let's get the name of column, that which column name is searched, and second we are going to get is value, which is searched value. Search will be key, and in search there will be value key. So that's how we will be getting searched value. And now let's apply where condition. So let's copy similar from above contact list, and here instead of name or email we will be passing a dynamic that is column name, and the search value will be changed with column search value. And now let's apply last condition. Let's say if this column search value is not equal to blank, that it should not come as blank, then only search for particular column. So now let's check in browser. So if I'll write Devin, you can see now it's searching. Now this search is happening from backend side. So if I'll show you result or payload, so here you can see in column we are getting value, and according to that it's searched and results are shown. So now let's search for another entry. So let's search for Ford. So you can see two results we got with Ford. If you will see in console, you will see there are so many requests hit to backend for for a single search. Reduce that. So we need to reduce that and add a if condition. With key up, let's get event, and I'm going to add one event key code, and that is 13. So this one is for enter key. So until and unless I'm not pressing enter key, it should not send any API or call to backend. So now let's check in browser. Let's search Devin again, and now you can see it's working fine and searching. So now if I'll remove this search, you can see now it's not getting refresh until unless I am pressing enter. So if I'll refresh, so let me show you again. Let's say with Ford I entered, then it's giving result. Now let me just remove and press enter. Now it's giving result. So now let me show you network tab, that will be easy for you. So now let's search email. So till then you can see there is no API hit. I pressed enter, then it's hitting the API. Only one time API call is happening now. So all in this video, I've shown you how you can apply individual column search in data table directly in like Vue and as well as in backend. So I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.